Hello everyone, we've just arrived in Austria at our fourth hotel. We just got here and we've been on a bus for we're in a bus for like almost 5 hours or something, and we stopped at McDonald's, and yeah, that's all we ate today.
Black Friday.
Breakfast at the other hotel. We're going to the fourth hotel, third country, super excited. So that's how it's going. We're gonna check into our new hotel room, and maybe I'll vlog if I remember, but I always forget to vlog. Oh, I just did her makeup, just a little bit, just like light, you know, super light.
Of course.
It's so traditional.
Boy, I'm vlogging.
Did you vlog?
No, yeah, that's
No, I didn't.
Oh, you should.
I know.
We're jamming.
Woo! I almost stepped on her head a few times while she was sleeping on the floor of the bus, but I didn't. Hello everyone, we've just checked into our hotel room, and it's actually much nicer than I thought it was gonna be because the downstairs was super sketchy, but this is like, it's pretty cute. We're in Austria right now, and we're staying here for 3 nights, and right next door are our friend Abby right across the way, and Chloe and Rachel are over there, and we're gonna have so much fun together, so I can't wait. Yeah, I'm becoming a better vlogger. Oh! Great footage! Oh, my freaking head hurts now.
I'm gonna have a huge bump here.
Out the window. Cards with the asshole. Can we play BS? I'm a little confused. With
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
That's my links in my bio for my Uber code. Use my code CARP for 10% off on my next auto book. That's it for the vlog. Bye guys.
You do Uber? Viennese restaurant. She's from Boston.
She thought she was vlogging and she wasn't. She didn't press the button.
I think I hit it off by accident. That's like the 20th time I've done that, and I've missed some really good footage.
So this is part 1, take 2 of vlogging in Vienna, right?
Yeah, bad angles, everybody.
Got it. Let's get it.
That's like the word of the tour. And what else? Yeet.
And big shock. Big shock's a big thing.
Yeet it out the window.
No, it's yote. Yote is the past tense of yeet. I had yote, past tense. I will yeet, future tense.
I will eat.
Yes.
I shall yote.
Anything else you want to tell your fans?
Probably gonna curl Star Wars' hair. Is this even filming? It is.
No, you have to make sure. See?
Yeah.
That would have been rough. That would have been rough. That would have been rough. That would have been.
Mackenzie, happy birthday.
Vlogging. We're vlogging.
Yes.
We're in Vienna, bitches.
Yep. See you later, vlog.
Sharing CC vlog.
Vlogging.
Vlogging?
Yeah.
You're missing the vlog.
I'm about to eat this giant slice of pizza, and then we're gonna have rehearsals, and then we're going to perform at a really famous church, and I'm super excited. So that's what our day looks like, and we're just touring around. That's about it. This is how Americans eat giant foreign pizza. It's very good. 10 out of 10. This pizza's so good. It's so good.
Are we vlogging? We are vlogging.
I'm drinking this drink.
Hi vlog.
Yes.
Please die for me.
I'm showing off. Okay, I don't know, maybe I'm making coffee. That sounds good.
The sign for vlogging. Oh. I was like posing for a picture.
Yeah, me too. Oh, this is very, very good.
I'm trying so hard not to like let this drip.
This cup is really helpful though because like the sides. Oh God! Fantastic.
Every day I learn a little more about my little group.
We're performing tonight at this lovely church. Oh yes, hello there. Wow, that was fantastic. They just got married.
Hi vlog.
Valentina. She's freaking hot or whatever. Yeah.
Vlog.
We're eating like at this like low-key nun house before we perform at a church. Valentina. Very nice.
I need a knife.
Dreams seem that you gave. I didn't give to you. I hope you see my face, and that's what you reminded. That's a piece of love.
Party's over, everybody.
This is the location of our...
I see your girl in the park. That girl is the office. My brother, he's got a building. Big T, hold tight, my man. My guy, he's got a frisbee. Rice Krispies.
More Vienna coming up next on Liana's European vlog.
It's delicious.
We're in a jungle, guys.
So beautiful.
Let's get